Okay, today I'm going to explain to you how to mix 50 to 1. That actually means 100 milliliters on 5 liters of fuel. So if you have a 5-liter fuel can, you're going to put one of these inside of it. There's a small explanation there as well. 100 ml on 5 liters. I recommend you use still 2-stroke mix only on your power equipment. It's going to last much longer. It's going to run smoothly. You're not going to have trouble. There's about 3 different versions. One that's a bit cheaper, one that's a bit more expensive, and then you get the HP Ultra. That's the top of the range one. As I understand, it has a higher lubricating for surfaces. It handles heat better. And it even says, let's see, made in Germany. So although my chainsaw and my brush cutter and my leaf blower are all made in China, this is made in Germany. So yeah, you're going to be mixing some Germany with some Chinese products, and they said it's going to work good. So yeah, stick to that. Me personally, I'm only using 4 liters of fuel on 100 ml of this, so I'm mixing it 40 to 1. I've been reading a lot of Reddits and stuff, and some people just stick to a bit more oil than normal. But if you want to run at 50 to 1, that's how I still recommend it. So I don't think you're going to have any problems. But yeah, that's just my take on it. Thank you for watching.